Solve for A, B and K, satisfying the equation 10A plus B equal to 7K, A plus B equal to K, where A and B belonging to the set 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. I mean, A and B are integers. A and B are a single digit integers. In fact, for this problem, I have uploaded in many WhatsApp group. So many my teachers, I mean mathematics teachers, replied for the problem, and some of them have given a partial solution, and some of them, particularly Shivkumar, Kavita Kambale, and Jaysri, they have given the solution completely or partially. But Sai Suresh and Mr. Tammanagowda, they have devised the method of solving, but the method is somewhat partial method. That method will give a partial solution, but not complete solution. But their method is a very nice one, and it is a logical one. Here I am solving this problem for the values of A, B, and K completely and methodically. Okay, solution for this: given 10A plus B equal to 7K, let me call this as equation 1, and uh, A plus B equal to K, and so let me call this as equation number 2, and also AB belonging to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 9. I mean, A and B are single digit numbers. Now here, you can see here, subtracting the equation 2 in 1, 10A plus B equal to 7K, and A plus B equal to, B equal to K. Subtracting these implies implies 9A equal to 6K, and that implies A equal to 6K by 9 equal to 2K, 2K by 3. Okay, once we have A equal to 2K by 3, this gives, and B equal to, what is that? K minus A, that is K minus 2K by 3 equal to K by 3. Now the question is, as A and B are single digit numbers, single digit numbers given fact, because A and B belonging to 0, any one of the 10 values, 0, 1, 2, 9. Okay, so this implies for which value of K A equal to, the question is for which value of K A equal to 2K by 3 and B equal to K by 3. Clearly, K equal to 0 and that is a equal to values of a equal to 0 and k is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 2 into 3 by 3 I can write down, and k is equal to 6, 2 into 6 by 3, and 2 into 9 by 3, and 2 into 12 by 3. These are the only values of a for which a is an integer. This is 2, and this is 2 into 2, 4, and this is 6, this is 8. These are the only values of a. Okay, similarly, b equal to 0, k by 3 means 3 by 3, 6 by 3, 9 by 3, 12 by 3, and that equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and therefore k must be either 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, and these values of a and b and k will give, therefore a b k equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay, next value 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, and next value 4, 4, 2, and k is equal to 6. Okay, and next one 6, 6, and 3, and k is equal to 9. Okay, and also last one, what is that? 8, 4, and 12. These are the uh, values of solution for the complete solution for the problem. And thank you for all those who have responded to my query, and keep it up yourself to solve many such problems. So thank you.